Hello madam, myself Madhu Mohan. Introduction. Today I am explain about introduction to intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductors materials with no intentional impurities added. They have a balanced number of electrons. Intrinsic semiconductors have a band gap that determines their electrical behavior. The next topic is band structure of intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors have a valence band and a conduction band separated by a band gap. The valence band is filled with electrons while the conduction band is empty at absolute zero temperature when energy is applied to the semiconductors. The electrons can be excited from the valence band to the conduction. The next topic is energy levels in intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors have energy levels within the band gap called the intrinsic energy levels. These energy levels are associated with the presence of impurities or defects in the crystal lattice. The energy levels affect the electrical conductivity of the intrinsic semiconductors. The next topic is electrical conductivity of intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors have limited electrical conductivity due to the energy gap between the valence and conduction bands. At room temperature, some electrons are excited to the conduction band, creating a small number of charge carriers. However, the number of charge carriers is relatively low compared to extrinsic semiconductors. The next topic is temperature dependence of intrinsic semiconductors. The electrical conductivity of intrinsic semiconductors increases with temperatures. As temperature rises, more electrons gain enough energy to move to the conduction band. This phenomenon is known as intrinsic carrier generation and is responsible for the temperature dependent behavior of intrinsic semiconductors. The next topic is optical properties of intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors have interesting optical properties due to their energy band structure. They can absorb and emit photons in a specific range of wavelengths. This property is exploited in various optoelectronic devices like LEDs and solar cells. The next topic is applications of intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors are used as a base material for many electronic devices. They serve as a starting point for doping with impurities to create extrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors are also used in research and development of new semiconductor materials and devices. The next topic is advantages of intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors offer a pure and controlled starting material for semiconductor fabrication. They provide a foundation for understanding the fundamental properties of semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors can be preciously tailored by doping to achieve desired electronic properties. The next topic is limitations of intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors have limited electrical conductivity which may not be suitable for certain high performance. The temperature dependence of intrinsic semiconductors can pose challenges in maintaining stable device performance. The band gap of intrinsic semiconductor restricts the range of energy levels that can be utilized in electronic devices. That's why conclusion, intrinsic semiconductors from the basics for understanding the behavior of semiconductors. They offer important insights into the electrical and optical properties of semiconductors. Materials, intrinsic semiconductors serve as a starting point for the development of various electronic and optoelectronic devices.